Hello everyone. As we all know, computer networking has become an area of prime importance in our day to day life. At this moment itself, I am lecturing and you are listening to the lectures just with the help of networking of computers. Through this video and coming series of videos, you will be provided an understanding of computer networks starting from the very basic concept. And these are the syllabus that we are going to cover, starting with the basic introduction, which includes topics like types of network, then topologies, etc. After that, we move on to ISO OSI model, then the TCP IP model. After that, each of the 7 layers in ISO OSI model will be dealt separately as separate videos in detail. The basic contents that we are going to cover in this particular video are the types of networks. And there are different types of networks like a LAN, which stands for local area network, WAN, wide area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, PAN, private or personal area network, VPN, virtual private network. Then the last one more content is added here, that is the difference between intranet and extranet. Before getting into the types of network, we should have an idea about what is computer network. As per definition, we can define it like a set of nodes connected by communication links. But I know it's not clear. What do you mean by a node? And here in this picture, you can see different devices are connected together through wires. And these wires are what we call as communication links. And the devices, like here you can see a laptop, a mobile, a personal digital assistant or a tab, whatever it is, all these are what we are calling as the nodes of a computer network. So what is a computer network? Now we can define it as a set of nodes connected by communication links. Okay, now coming on to the types of networks. Here you can see the network can be classified into 4 main categories: LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, WAN, wide area network, and PAN, that is the personal area network. Now we are moving on to the detailed concepts regarding LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. First of all, we shall look into LAN. Here you can see a network in which various systems are connected together through a single line. So most often a LAN is confined to a single room, building or group of buildings. Many users can share expensive devices such as laser printers as well as data. Users can also use the LAN to communicate with each other by sending email or engaging in chat sessions. LANs are capable of transmitting data at very fast rates, much faster than data can be transmitted over a telephone line. The distances are limited, and that is the main drawback that we are facing in LAN networks. And there is also a limit on the number of computers that can be attached to a single LAN. There are many different types of LANs, with Ethernet being the most common for PCs, that is the personal computer system. And here the last figure, here you can see a wireless LAN where we can connect the systems together without the need of wires. Now moving on to the next one, wide area network. In wide area network, as the figure shows, we can see it is a combination or a collection or connection of different LANs together under one umbrella. A computer network that spans a relatively large geographical area when compared to LAN. Typically, a WAN consists of 2 or more local area networks. Computers connected to a wide area network are often connected through public networks such as telephone system. They can also be connected through leased lines or satellites. And as we all know, the largest WAN in existence is the internet. Now, moving on to the next one, MAN, which stands for Metropolitan Area Network. And we all know that it covers a large area than that of a LAN and smaller area as compared to WAN. It connects two or more computers that are apart but resides in the same or different cities. It covers a large geographical area and may serve as an ISP, that is Internet Service Provider too. Now coming on to the last one, that is PAN or Personal Area Network. A personal area network is the interconnection of information technology devices like PDA, smartphone, tablet, printer, etc. within the range of an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. For example, if a person traveling with a laptop, a personal digital assistant, that is a PDA, and a portable printer could interconnect them without having to plug anything using some form of wireless technology. Now, in addition to the categories that we have seen, there is one more category that is available, that is VPN or Virtual Private Network. A virtual private network extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared or public network as if their computing devices are directly connected to the private network. Now, the last topic, the difference between internet, intranet and extranet. We all know what is internet, no doubt in that. But we have to be clear about the difference between internet, intranet and extranet. First, we shall see what do you mean by an intranet. Here you can see this is the figure of an intranet. That is, the intranet is a private network operated by a large company or other organization, which for sure uses internet technologies, but it is insulated from the global internet. So it will be private to that particular organization or firm. Now, what is this extranet? And here you can see the intranet, which is extended to some systems, is called as an extranet. And why it is important? Because some other organizations or sometimes suppliers may want to contact this internal organization or internal private network. At that time, the extranet comes to play its role. An extranet is an intranet that is accessible to some people from outside the company or possibly shared by more than one organization. So that is the difference between intranet, internet and extranet. Internet is a private network. Extranet means this private network we are extending it to some computers or organizations outside, and internet, we all know it is a global network system. So we have covered the topics like an introduction to networks. Then we have looked into LAN, that is a local area network, then WAN, wide area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, PAN, that is a personal area network, then VPN, which is a private network. Then after that we have seen a comparison between internet, intranet and extranet. In the coming video, we will be covering the topologies of network like point-to-point, bus topology, star topology, ring, mesh, hybrid and tree topology. Thank you.